Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to the CBT exam tutorial for the national selection of new overseas students in 2023. Open your browser application and type in the URL address like this. Then the following page will appear like this. In the upper left corner, a notification requesting to activate the camera will appear and click Allow. And a notification requesting to enable audio will appear and click Allow. Click SNPDB to continue. Before the exam, participants are required to print their participants card and prepare their identity cards for the verification processing during the CBT test and interview. So, in this part, enter the username or registration ID as printed on the participant card and enter the password with your date of birth in the format year, month, and date. Examples are follows. This is my username and this is my birthday. Click Login to enter the exam room. If you cannot log in, check your username and password again. Here is the interface of the exam room. In the left section, there are the participant profile and the app menu. In the center of this page, there is the exam description. In the right section, make sure the camera is on. If the camera doesn't display the participant's face, select another camera from this option. Next, on the Please take a selfie with ID menu, if your photo with ID have submitted, you can click View to show your photo with ID and click Back. This photo is used for the verification of participant data. If your photo with ID has not been submitted, on the bottom right, click the Upload button to take a photo and participant card, and click the Start button to take the exam. Click the Start Now button to start the exam. If you want to retake your photo with ID, you can click Retake and take a photo by showing your face and the printed participant card. Click the Take a Photo or Unveil Photo button. However, if the photo is not perfect, participants can take another photo by clicking Retake or Photo Ulang. After that, click the Save or Simpan button. A notification will appear that the photo has been uploaded successfully. Click OK button. The exam page will appear as follows. In the center of the page, there is the exam questions, and the right section shows the remaining exam time, question map, and surveillance video. There are two types of questions, namely sorting and multiple choice. This is an example of the sorting type question. You can click Pilih Jawaban to select the most appropriate answer and click Next to continue to the next question. After all questions have been answered, click Finish on the top right. Type the word Finish to finish the exam, then click the Finish button. If the participant has completed an exam, then the status of the test changes to Finish, and the participant cannot retake the exam with Finish status. Next, participant can process to another exam by clicking the Start button. Here is an example of a multiple choice question. Click on the appropriate answer choice. After all questions have been answered, click Finish on the top right. If a participant is having trouble with the app, they can click the Help button. Participant can explain the problem, then click Lapor so that it can be followed up by admin. If all exams have been finished, the participant can then exit the application by clicking the Keluar button.